The Bamboo Tree, a lesson in patience and perseverance. Once upon a time, a young man dreamed of success. He wanted to achieve greatness quickly and often grew frustrated when his hard work didn't yield immediate results. Seeking wisdom, he went to visit an old farmer in his village. The farmer welcomed the young man with a warm smile and said, "Let me tell you a story about the bamboo tree." The young man listened as the farmer began his tale. In the beginning, when a bamboo seed is planted, it requires daily care. The soil must be fertile, the seed must be watered consistently, and sunlight is essential. However, even with all this effort, for the first year, nothing happens. Not even a small sprout. The second year comes, and still, there's no sign of growth. Most people would give up by now, thinking the seed is faulty or the effort is wasted. But the farmer knows better. The third and fourth years pass, and still, no visible progress. To many, it seems pointless to keep nurturing the ground. But the farmer continues to water and care for the seed. Then, in the fifth year, something remarkable happens. Within just 6 weeks, the bamboo tree grows over 80 feet tall. What seemed like no growth was, in fact, a deep preparation. The bamboo was developing a strong, unseen root system that would allow it to soar to great heights. The young man sat in silence, contemplating the story. Finally, he asked, "So what is the lesson here?" The farmer replied, "Success, like the bamboo tree, requires patience, consistent effort, and faith in the process. You may not see results immediately, but if you keep nurturing your dreams and preparing yourself, you'll be ready to grow when the time comes." Great things take time to build. Inspired by the farmer's wisdom, the young man returned to his work with a renewed sense of purpose. He realized that every step, no matter how small, was contributing to his future success. Moral of the story: patience and perseverance are the keys to success. Keep working on your dreams, even when results aren't immediately visible. Great achievements often take time.